So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock private browsing in Safari with Face ID. So the first thing you want to do is to head on over to your settings page and click on that. So you open up your settings, scroll all the way down and you can find apps right here. So let's open that. From here you can see some of the apps on the device and you can just scroll down all the way to the letter S. And you can see it's going to be one of the first apps appearing on your letter S apps. So let's open it up. From here you can see Siri, you can see search, you can see the language, you can see then some autofill. And what you will need to do is to locate your required Face ID to unlock private browsing. You can see it right here. Right now it's turned off. If I do this and click it, it's going to be turned on. Now, for some of you, it may be a step further, so it's not going to appear right away. You may need to go to privacy and security within a section on this page, but it's the same path that you need to take. It's through settings. And after that, you can see if I exit the settings and go to Safari, if I try to go to private, you can see private browsing adds additional privacy protection for tabs, and after you close the tab, so it really teaches me what private browsing is. And after that, if I want to use it, I will need to already unlock the phone with my Face ID, or I will need to actually show a Face ID that matches the settings in the phone so I can unlock it. So that's basically how you can do that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.